All right, we're going to be talking about moon phases. So you have a page that has this and this. I want you to glue it in, and I'm going to put the sun on the bottom. So do that. And while you do that, I'm going to cut these into squares. All right, so I'm going to be cutting these, but do not lose them because we will need all of them for this page. Just cut out the boxes. Make sure you have glue. I'll put those to the side. All right. So we're going to have the sun on the bottom, okay? And that is what a new moon is called. A new moon is when the moon is completely dark. So you're going to find the one that has all of it covered up in black. There we go. That is called the new moon. As we go around, I'm actually going to go right here. Across from it would be the full moon because we would see the whole thing. That's why it's called full. So I'm going to write right here, full moon. I'm actually going to, yeah, full moon. Okay. Now I'm going to give you two words. The first one is going to be gibbous. Actually, we're going to title this Moon Phases. I'm going to write gibbous down here. We have gibbous. Means more moon than shadow. So the moon is the white part, and the dark part is the shadow. So phases in the moon is affected in how we are angled toward the moon and the sun, and how the moon appears with the sun's reflection to us on Earth. So we have shadow, and then a crescent. There is more shadow than moon. Okay. And here we go here. So make sure you have them on the right side. So this is called a waxing crescent. So I'm actually going to flip this upside down so I can write. We'll write here. So waxing means it's on the right side, okay? Waning is on the left side. So this is called a waxing crescent. So you see how there's more shadow than moon, and waxing means that the moon is on the left. So I'm going to write that up there soon. So then we have the first quarter. I'm actually going to glue this just like that, so we can kind of have it lined up the way that it should be. There we go. You can see the shadow's getting bigger. This is the first quarter. First quarter of the moon. And then we are going to have the waxing gibbous. Remember, waxing means that that's a crescent. Wait, nope, that's not a crescent, that's the waxing. The waxing means that the moon is on the left-hand side. This would be the waxing gibbous. Okay. The next one would be the waning gibbous. Waning meaning it's on the other side. So the waning gibbous look just like that. And then we have the third quarter. And then the last one is the waning crescent. So now that we have this, you could see that waxing means that the moon is on the right-hand side, and waning, it's on the left-hand side. And gibbous, the moon is larger than the shadow, and crescent, the moon is larger, or the moon is smaller than the shadow. So those are our moon phases.